Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the crown button again. So press the crown button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the system and updates. And once you find it, tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called the reset, and once you find it, select it. And finally, to confirm, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that if you reset your watch to the factory default settings, it will remove all of your data and settings from that device. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.